probably not. But what's up? I really got inspired to make this video because I've been on Facebook Marketplace a lot. Like every time I go on Facebook, I go on Facebook Marketplace. And I'm looking at the prices of these Integras now, and bro, if you want an Integra, right now is the best time to buy it. This video is like, should you buy an Integra in 2020? The answer is yes, because prices are going up. They're gonna start, Integras are gonna start being like EG hatch prices, bro. Like getting an EG hatch shell clean for like 2 grand, 3 grand. If you love Integras, if somehow I inspired you to ever get an Integra, right now is the perfect time to get an Integra. It's dog. It's getting crazy. Getting one of these cars nowadays, it's kind of tough to get it with AC. And if you do get it with AC, it's probably gonna be an automatic one. And, you know, search up DC4, and if they do, Meek Mill album will pop up. So that'll just type in DC2 all around. Everyone knows the Integra as a DC2. GSR, Type R, they all got the chassis code of DC2. I had this Integra for almost 6 years. In 2 months, well, next month, October, will be 6 years since I owned this car. Been through many phases, of course. The stance phase, the V20 days, the V18 days. For the people that follow me from the beginning knows how much I've transformed this car and what it's transformed into now. But back to the original topic. It really depends on what you want, man. Like, what do you want out of a car? Do you want a street car? I honestly prefer the Integra over any other 90s Honda. This is my favorite body style. It just looks so aggressive from factory. It comes already standard with the B series engine. You don't have to swap it. You know what I mean? The interior is pretty nice for what it is. I mean, it ain't too bad, you know? It's not that bad of a car. But finding one now is getting more and more rare, because finding a clean Integra, no rust, AC works, power steering, all that stuff, you're gonna pay some money, man. I'm seeing boosted LS's, Integras, going for like 7 grand. Years ago, buying a boosted LS Integra was like $3,500, $2,800. And when I first bought my Integra, it was clapped. It had a lot of dings, dents. It was rust on the trunk, but you can obviously replace the trunk on these cars. But all in all, it was a clean shell. You know, it wasn't too bad. Or like I didn't want to build it. I had a whole layout when I wanted to film this video, like a whole talking thing. I lost everything. I just don't know now. Like, it's so weird for me to make these videos because like I never know what to say. Like when I do say it, it's already over with. Like, should you buy an Integra in 2020? Yes, you should. Before prices go up and it's hard to find a clean one. Unless you're gonna get a rebuild title or a salvage title. You know what I mean? It's hard finding a clean title Integra. And if you do, people are gonna want a lot of money for it. So I would advise you guys, if you're looking in the market of like getting back into the Honda scene or getting into the Honda scene, and you know, my videos or you know, other Integra owner videos or people have inspired you to get an Integra, I would say do it. I would say, you know, bite the bullet, get you an Integra, bro. Like, prices are still cheap. B series prices are actually going up, so never mind. K series prices are getting cheaper while B series prices are going up in price. Doesn't make any sense. To K-swap these things, it don't take much money. You can get a whole K-swap package kit if you do your own research and you know, use Facebook to your advantage for like under 3 grand to K-swap your car. You know what I mean? You won't have the best parts, but you will have a K-swap car, and that's all that matters. I honestly wouldn't trade my Integra for anything. Like, if a guy wanted to trade me an Evo for my Integra, I wouldn't do it. This car taught me so much, dog. Like, I just love this car, the body style. Like, if I ever want to get bored, I can go jack front. There's a lot of aftermarket support for the Integra in general. Like, front ends, rear ends, taillights, bumpers, body kits. It's a lot. You know what I mean? K-swaps, J-swaps. Like most Hondas, you know, you can swap any Honda. It all like works somehow. talk, when you like hype yourself up. But like, yo, my interior looks good. I put so much money and effort in this car. You know what I mean? It took me I built my perfect Integra, and it looks so damn good. And it's not Jap front. What? There's not really a lot of clean USDM Integras out there, dog. I can count on one hand how many clean USDM front end Integras I've seen. You know what I mean? Or the people that I know that own them. You know, I hope I did convince you to finally bite the bullet and get you an Integra, bro. Do it! And K-swap that John. Every 90s Honda needs a K-Series. Not every, but most. Needs a K-Series. Because the reliability, the practicality of it, knowing that you can beat the hell out of your car stock and it won't blow up or give you issues and misfires and all types of shit, go K-Series, bro. Go K-Series. If you get in the Integra, K-swap it and get hybrid racing parts and an action clutch and use discount code Zosh for both of them Johns. Yup, leave it up to me to not close out the video while shooting that said video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And to sum all this stuff up, should you buy an Integra now? Yes! Do it now before prices go up for like $8,000 for the 146,000 miles stock ass Integra LS, missing power steering pump, AC blow cold at night only. Buy an Integra now, and you know, thank yourself later, and make sure you buy some merch. And that is all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The next video should be the return of the RS6 and some news regarding the RS6. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy the video, please leave a dislike on the video. I don't give a fuck. I love each and every single one of you guys. Hope you guys are having fantastic days and all that stuff. Send me your sister's phone number so we can become family. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Yeah, that wasn't supposed to happen. I tried to like swap it like that so I can say I'm out. Peace, but